What was the description again?
Very heavy, very short.
Right, two. Stay there.
Honestly,
On your knees. On your knees. Hands where I can see him. Police officer the taser.
You can see him.
Sorry, the light was small.
Hands on your back. Marcus, do it now.
Hands on your swallow your back. Do it now.
You've got one small stab wound to the left-hand side of his body.
Of course,
About
I've got your feet on, but I've got a cut in my arm.
That's received.
Yeah, two suspects in cuffs.
I can't speak, really. Suspect,
Do we know the local
my friend, bro.
Yeah, male's in cuffs behind Barri, Nick. Based on the information I've got, okay, the time is 0013 hours, okay. You're under arrest on suspicion of attempt murder. You don't have to say anything, but it may have an offence if you do not mention one question simply return in court.
At the moment, you're under arrest on suspicion of attempted murder. Okay, you don't have to say anything, but may have an offence if you do not mention one question, some of which we may later rely in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. Do you understand? Is there anything you want to say in reply to that question? You don't have to, I'm just asking, okay? So the necessity for your arrest is the prompt effective investigation of offence or interview, okay? And to prevent any further injury to the person. Understood?